Alright, quick recap. A factor is a number that divides evenly into another number, and the highest common factor is the largest number that can be divided exactly into each of two or more numbers. I've done two examples down below, one with numbers. We'll start with this one. I've listed out all my factors of 36 and 42. As we can see, 6 is the highest common factor between the two of those. For my indices, I've done the same thing with x squared and x to the power 6. As we can see, x squared is the highest power of x that goes into both of those. What you'll be asked to do is combine those two facts in order to answer an exam style question like this. In this, we got to take it step by step. The highest common factor between 3 and 12 is 3. The highest thing that goes into x squared and x cubed is x squared. And the highest thing that goes into y and y to the power 4 is y. I then got to fill in my brackets. If we look at this, 3x squared y times 1 will give me 3x squared y up here. For our second term, we just got to be a bit more careful. 3 times minus 4 will give me my minus 12 up here. X squared times x will give me my x cubed up here. And y times y to the power 3 will give me my y to the power 4 up here.